In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an online course for free. Today, we are going to move through the process step by step, from creating the course itself to adding modules and then uploading the lectures that students will actually learn from. As you follow along, watch the screen for each button name and make sure you are on the correct page before you click anything. First, navigate to Assets and then click Courses. This part matters because the platform organizes course tools under the broader Assets section. Once you click Courses, you should see the area where your existing courses are listed, or where you can start building a new one from scratch. Next, click Create. When you click Create, the platform will open a setup area for your new course. Take a moment to scan what fields appear on screen, because these are the basic details you will need before students can view the course. If the page looks different from what you expected, double-check that you clicked Create under Courses rather than another section. Now enter the course title and description, and then configure the course settings. This is where you define what the course is about and how it will look and behave. Look for the options to configure the domain, the theme, and the instructor. The domain setting helps determine where the course is hosted or accessed. The theme affects the visual style students will see, and the instructor setting ensures that your course displays the right instructor information. If you are not sure what to choose, use sensible defaults for theme and instructor, but keep your title and description clear and accurate. After you have filled in everything, click Save. Saving is important because it stores your course details and it also unlocks the next steps in the process, like adding modules. Before moving on, confirm that the platform indicates the course was saved or that you now see options related to building content. Once the course is saved, click Add Module. A module is a way to organize your course content into logical sections, such as weeks, topics, or skill levels. Click Add Module to create your first section, and then repeat as needed for the structure of your course. As you do this, think about how you want students to progress, because modules create the roadmap for the learning experience. After you have your modules in place, click Add Lecture. You will use lectures to upload the actual learning materials inside each module, such as videos, text content, and files. When you click Add Lecture, look for the Upload or Editor area where you can add your media. For videos, upload your video file or select the video input option if the platform supports that. For text, add the lesson notes or instructions that help students understand what they are watching. For files, upload supporting resources like worksheets, slides, or reading materials so students have everything they need in one place. Continue by adding each lecture under the appropriate module. The key idea is that lectures belong inside modules, and modules belong inside your course. This keeps everything organized and makes it easier for students to find what they need. If you are adding multiple lectures, make sure each one has the correct content for the topic of that module. When you are finished creating your modules and uploading your lectures, you have successfully built the core structure of your online course. That is the main workflow you will use every time you create a new course. Start with the course setup, then add modules, and then add lectures to fill those modules with learning content. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.